Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw an Among Us imposter surprise fold. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Among Us imposter surprise fold, we need to begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper, turn it this way, and I want to fold it like a birthday card. So I'm just going to take my paper, I'm going to line it up like this, and just fold it in half. So I have a nice little birthday card. This way, when you open it, you have the nice little card. Next, I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to turn it this way, and I'm going to take this first flap and I want to fold it down to my fold. So I'm just going to fold this down right to here. And now I can open it up like this, or I can turn it and open it up like this. Totally your choice. Now, to start off with our Among Us imposter surprise fold, we're going to begin by drawing a simple Among Us character, and I'm going to start by drawing him right here on the paper. So beginning here, you want to start by making a little line that's just going to curve around. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's just going to go out. It's going to curve around like this. Kind of line it up best you can. Next, we're going to take this line and we're going to draw it right down to here to connect. Now, starting about right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go up to here. And starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm going to make a little line that just goes down. I kind of curved mine in just a bit. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes over, and I'm going to bring it up like this for the leg. You want to draw a little line that goes across. Then we're going to make a line that goes down. It's going to come over like this. Now, starting here, we want to make a line that's just going to go all the way down to here. So I'm going to bring this out a little farther, and I'm going to go down right over my fold, and I'm going to bring it right down to here and connect it. Next, we want to make the little pack. So I'm going to start right here, kind of lined up with the middle part of the face shield. You want to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down. We're going to jump over this and bring it in. Next, we want to open it up and work on the body. Next, we want to open up our picture, and we're going to start on all the details on the inside of here. The first thing you want to do is you want to draw these lines past this little fold mark right here. And the reason you want to do this is so none of your details show through. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down just a little bit past all of these fold lines. So we're going to draw it right down here. Next, I'm going to start here and I'm going to make just a little line that curves to here. And another little line right here that curves to there for the top half of our little crewmate. Next, I want to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to draw this line up a little bit. I'm going to make this line up a little bit. And I want to do the same thing over here. And the reason I did that is so when I fold it, we can't see any of those details. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of a curved line that goes right to this other line. So we're going to draw a little line that kind of curves up and down. And right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up. And over here, I'm going to make one that's just going to curve up right about there. Now, inside of here, I'm going to add a small skinny oval. So we'll start right about here. And you're just going to draw a little skinny oval shape that goes right about to here. Now, starting in this line, we're going to make the little bone. I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that goes up and another one that goes up here. make them a little bit taller. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a nice big curved line that's just going to go up and down. And right here, I'm going to make another line that's going to curve around and then come right to here. Then starting here, we're going to add a little curved line for the bottom of the bone. And then we just want to connect these little curved lines all the way to the bone. Now for the pack, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve to here, and then a little one that's going to curve right to there for the top of the pack. Now, over here, I want to make a little imposter to make it look like he's the one that sabotaged our crewmate. So, to do this, we're going to start right here, and I'm going to begin with the face shield. So, we're going to begin by making a little line that's just going to curve around, just like this. Next, we're going to make a little line that's just going to come down and over. Starting up here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go up, and I'm going to bring it over and down like this. And right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve off to the side here. And you want to make sure that when you close it, you don't see your imposter. So that's why I want to keep it just right in this space here. Starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that comes over for the pack. And then right here, I want to make the knife. So starting here, I'm going to start on top of the face shield. I'm going to make a tall, skinny line that goes up, curves around, and comes down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up, that's going to go over, and then down here. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up at an angle. And for the little points of the knife, we're going to go down and up. Then we're going to go down and up, and then down one more time. And there you go. There is your drawing of your surprise fold Among Us imposter. So when he starts out, you just have a normal little Among Us character. Then when you open it up, you see that he is in half with the little imposter over here. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.